see here, if you want to see the features inside my Kali, go in the settings. See here, that is 7 GB. Nearby approx it's 7 GB. And it is taking more than 7 GB, 7132. That is the space.
Okay.
So yesterday same things happened. Three times it's crashed because like uh, I will start my install and then after Kubernetes and that three devices I was running the same time. Because of that only it's crashed. So
Okay.
its requirement is like it's 32 GB or 64 GB RAM if you have understood. So you can
Mm-hmm.
in the penetration testing it is smoothly you can run all devices at the same time. So that I
Okay.
have the server at my home in the Bangalore, right? So because of that
You
only,
have said.
yeah, I have the server at home. Yeah,
Mm.
that is 64 GB and it is support up to your like 255. Understood. So let it be start. I start my troll. Let it be installed, Momo. We will revise the things what we have done. Right. So
Mm-hmm.
let me come once. Hold a second. Settings may be changed. Okay. My Kali is start
Mm-hmm.
root. Then after login, see what we have seen that in the complete classes we have seen what is troll. We have seen question what is troll, right? Complete definition of the trolling. Your Patrick's we have seen, right? Then after we have seen, okay, what is
Sir,
dark trial we have seen.
sir,
Yes,
I told you that I changed my thing. Can I show you my example of now?
you're not audible. Your sound is not. Yeah, please repeat once again.
I said, I
Uh-huh.
told you that I changed my IP address and my Tor is working. My Qpatrix is working. I want to show you. I want us to do together actually.
Okay, you want to do the task? Yeah, yeah. You can. You follow up me. Okay, not an issue. If it is working, then fine. You change the IP
I
address,
want to
right?
show you. I want to show you because at one point I don't know what to do next, so I want to show
Oh,
you.
okay. Just I'm coming. Just I'm coming. Okay, let it be.
So,
Let it be divided. Okay, I'm coming on that. After that, what we have seen that complete this one. Then after we have check the IP address, vulnerable IP address, right?
mhm.
Right.
Yes,
With the command, what is the command we have seen there? That is net discover, right?
not discovery. Yes.
With the help of this one, we got the IP address of what? Troll. Correct or not? Right?
Yes.
Because this is connecting with NAT, and my Kali is also connected with what? NAT. Clear points, right?
Yes, sir.
Then after vulnerability scanning, for that we have used the Nmap tools. In the Nmap, we have given the commands to check the ports availability, right? Ports,
Mm-hmm.
vulnerable ports. We have checked the vulnerable ports with the commands is what? Find Nmap P A, and then after victim IP address. Correct.
Okay.
This is the basic things we have done. Right here
Mm-hmm.
in troll, we will use what? We are going to work with my FTP server. Remember or not? FTP.
Okay.
Understood? So for
Yes.
FTP, what we will do, we will check that FTP ports is open or not. It will show you FTP is available. Available. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Inside that, it will show you that file name. File name was my what? LOL dot p cap. This is the file name we have, right? After that, we
Okay.
have to install the FTP also, because we don't know FTP is running in my Kali or not. But what we
Okay.
will do, that FTP will run, but we need our latest one, 10 versions, right? For that purpose, we will install the Kali. The commands is my apt get install FTP. The help of this command, we install the our Kali Linux. We install our FTP server. Understood?
Okay.
After completing this one, that is the third steps. That was the third. Now we are coming on the fourth one. In the fourth one, what we want to go inside my IP address, right? With the help of
Okay.
FTP server. So what the command we will use? FTP with my victim IP address. What is the victim IP address, man? This is my troll IP address. Understood. Then after it will give me permissions to go inside that. Then after it is asking me the username and
Mm-hmm.
password. Remember this parts. So I use
Yes.
anonymous,
Anonymous.
and here also I use anonymous. This part. Then after I am inside my that FTP. After that, what I will do, I want to install that file with the help of FTP. Right. That file is there, no? That lol dot pcap. That file we want to install inside my FTP. So what we will do, already I'm inside my FTP. I will give the command as get lol dot ftp. This is the these are the four steps we have done inside my Kali, right? After that, I will be
Okay.
back, and then after I will use the I will check because this file I am updating, right? So I will check this file is updated or not. FT is file
Okay.
transfer protocol. This file is updated or not. Understood. So what we will do, in place of wiresar, instead of wiresar, I will use in the CLI that TCP dump command. Remember TCP dump commands, right?
Yes.
To check my all details. Understood. So there that plain text and everything it will show you my anonymous username and that plain text password. Up to here we have done. Remember, right? So these are the five
Okay.
steps we have done in the last class.
Okay.
Correct? Let me come on the
Mm-hmm.
lab part. Follow me in the lab. What we will do, my crawl is on. I will come on the Kali. In the Kali, net discover. I don't know. Always remember, like it is supporting me. It is showing me Ethernet 0 or Ethernet 1. So that is better. You can go with if config. You are getting my
Mm-hmm.
point. With help of in
Mm-hmm.
config, I can understand because there it will show you like your loopbacks and whatever the ports is available. So in if config, I will use if config. Understood.
Okay.
So here,
Okay.
see here, with the Ethernet 1 is showing me, not Ethernet 0. See here, it is Ethernet 0 is there, and then after it is showing me Ethernet 1 even, right? Are you getting my
Yes.
point? 137.130. That is from
Mm-hmm.
the multicast. Understood? Clear.
Mm-hmm.
So let me go and let me check clear on Ethernet 0. On Ethernet 0, we will try to check my open ports. Understood? And one more thing, let me check on the tron that is NAT or not. Because last class, after giving all commands, see here it is showing me host. You understood? For that, we need a
Mm-hmm.
NAT part. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Before that, everything you should check in the installation part, right? Let's come on the
Okay.
Kali and again inside the Kali you also check that it is on the NAT or what. See here that two adapters is there, then those the adapters in the NAT part, right? And by default when
Yes.
you install it will be in the nearby of that 7 between the 8 GB to 7 GB, that is taking 7132. And
Yes.
then after UCP and everything is fine, by default it will take 80 GB, by default it will take. That is the
Okay.
your space part. So what I will do, I will come here and then after again I will do here if config. Let me check. I'll be do the if config, but it is showing Ethernet 0. Okay, Ethernet 0 is available here and with the IP address 192.168.137. Okay, so let me come and let me
Mm-hmm.
check on the Ethernet 0, right? So what I will do,
Mm-hmm.
see here that IP address also it is showing you. Ethernet 0 is 137.132. Mm, then after it is showing you broadcast is going with your dot 2. Are you getting
Mm-hmm.
understood?
Mm-hmm.
If you are coming on Ethernet 1, it is showing you 130. There is 132 and it is going the broadcast with your 132. Understood? These are
Mm-hmm.
the 132 is for broadcast. That in the routing
Mm-hmm.
switching you have learned. So what I will do, I will come here and I will clear this part, and then after I will do net discover, net discover my I, then after ETH Ethernet 0. Let's see. If you will give the Ethernet 1 also, there is no issue. You understood? Because both are going with the multicast.2 it is taking, and that NAT it is going with your 137 network. Understood? In place of
Okay.
Ethernet 0, you can use Ethernet 1. Clear. Port
Okay.
will be check the vulnerable your open ports for your
Mhm.
attacks victims, and then after it will just create the attack.
So,
See here, how many IP address I got? I got a 130. Okay, I got 132. I got 254, and I got 128. Understood? These are the IP address I got here. Clear?
mhm.
And these are the MAC address for the IP address, and these are the counts, and these are the VMs. Understood? So
Okay.
I will use 145 is for your host. Remember, last class I told you.
Okay.
I have here 130, 132, and 254. That is going for multicast. So in between 130 and 132 is your IP address. Either it will be 130 or it will be your 132. Clear my points?
Mhm.
You understood? So what I will do, I will check with 130 and I will check with 132. So let me go Control C, and I will use the command here nmap. Use here the command as nmap. Then after port, then after 4 IP address I will use here 130. So 130, 192.168.137, 137.132. Let me check. It is opening the ports or not.
Failed to resolve.
Yeah, failed to resolve A. Understood? So this is not
Mhm.
correct. What I will do, I will come here and I will check with my in place of 132, 130.
Why not 128?
128 is not there. 120, 145, no, that is 145 network. That is host. You remember,
Not 145
137 is for
network.
me. 137 is for me for NAT. It's again going to resolve fail. Let me check once again. It's showing resolve. Okay, I didn't use here this. See, once a small or something you miss there, that will complete loss your that's your scans. You understood my point?
Mhm.
See here that it is showing me that is scanning for 130, 65 4,000 ports it's open, and then after OS details and everything it will show you. So 130 is not for it. I will go with 130, and then after I have 132. Let me check with 132. Just showing me or not.
Mhm.
What it is coming here 132. It is also 2020 nmap reports for this post is here. Scan ports are closed. Too many fingerprints match this host given a specification for OS details. Network distance is this. Service is this one. And yeah, that is not here again. Okay. So what I will do,
Okay.
I will try to troll is there, I will power off the troll and then again I will on power off this one. Okay, let me start it.
Mm.
Yes, one settings. This is net. See, it started. Okay, what I will do again, I will come because on that time it was showing so host, that means all information it was showing here. So I will come here and again I will do net discover, net discover, net discover scams. So what I will do, in place of caps I will do net discover, then after I, then after Ethernet 0. Let it be checked IPs and all. See, it's come with dot 1, dot 254, and then after ah, I got here 137 with dot 2. Okay, 129, 130, and 132. These are the three. Correct. Fine.
129, 130, 130.
130. So let me check. Let me go and let me try with all these three that IPs it's provide to me. So what I will do, I will open the other terminal, and that in the other terminal and map, then after port, then after I have, and then 192.168.137.129, right? This is
Yes,
one IP
129.
address. Let me check with 129, 129, 130, 132, 129. See, I got in the 129 address, right? 129 is the correct IP address for my troll because I am getting here that is, see, if you will become and if you have an idea on that troll, right? See here,
Mm-hmm.
that is come up, and here you are getting 21, that is TCP FTP, right? That is the port,
Mm-hmm.
it's open here, and see here lol.pcap, right? So this is the proper.
Mm-hmm.
Are you getting my point? You
Okay.
understood or not? See here.
Yes.
So that is the troubleshooting. Always remember what I'm teaching you. So no need to again do 2 3 times this all IP address troubleshooting, because here that is giving the proper information, because I told you that lol.pcap is for my the FTP server, and there it is the vulnerability. It is providing the vulnerability inside my troll. Clear?
Okay.
This is the file here. Are you getting?
But yes.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that is in the first
What?
time I got it. In the first time even I got it. So I'm not going to check with the other two IPs. You understood? Clear.
Mm-hmm.
I tried my
Yes.
first IP and I got that
I
solutions.
wanted to ask actually.
Please,
I said I wanted to ask you actually.
please, ask me.
Uh, what is the need of troll actually? Troll OS actually.
This is all the vulnerable machine vulnerability. See here, like this is just try to. This is one machine is there. Understood? Inside that
Mm-hmm.
machine, you are trying to check the vulnerability.
Mm-hmm.
Understood or not? All
Okay.
then after this all your Cupitrix and all, these are the vulnerable machine. So what you are doing,
Mm-hmm.
you are trying to check the vulnerability inside. See, these are the victims like troll
Mm-hmm.
or your Cupitrix. These are the victims machine. Understood? Or just
Mm-hmm.
suppose this is I am my office. This is other
Mm-hmm.
office, and you are sitting here in the Kali. Kali is your target. Kali is your client machine, or like you are sitting as a client and you are creating an attack to check the vulnerability. Are you getting?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Understood? So you are what you are telling. Client is trying to target to either on the Tron or in the like in the Cupitrix to get the information to go inside that. You understood?
Mm-hmm.
This is the real
Mm-hmm.
time. What I'm telling is this is the real time
Mm-hmm.
practice. What? For check the vulnerability. Understood. So just
Mm-hmm.
try to understand these are the machines, these are the vulnerable machines. Something vulnerability is there. How we will go? Like in the SISA, like that's in the first domain I shown you one picture was there in the SISA. What this is showing you? Like vulnerability you have to check. You remember that sites are there. Inside that site you have to check the vulnerability. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
So
Mm-hmm.
you are checking the vulnerability how? You are checking the vulnerability with the help of this this addresses and all. Nmap is the tools, vulnerable tools, right? It will check the vulnerability.
Yes,
Understood?
I know that.
Huh. So this is with the help of this commands, I'm going to check the vulnerability for my this one. I want to go inside that. So it is
Okay.
telling
Okay.
you,
Okay.
it is telling me like these are the ports are available. Like see, this ports 21 TCP. It is showing me open ports. You remember, in your
Yes, I know.
security plus, I told you when the open ports is available through that ports, you can create a vulnerability. So
Mm-hmm.
in toll or like in the organization, some ports are available. Some ports are
Yeah.
open ports. So with that ports, what you are doing with that ports, you are creating a attack. Understood? So in the attack, so many mechanism is there. Either you can go SQL injection is there. Understood or not?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
SQL injection you can do. So here we are doing the SQL injection. In the Kubernetes have some different techniques you can use.
Mm-hmm.
Kubernetes 4, 5 is there. So all have the different techniques. You can use multiple techniques are there. You understood my point. So I am showing you one, two techniques. Like in every vulnerability, like in every vulnerable machines, I'm showing you some techniques are there. Like here I'm showing you like you have the SQL injections are there. SQL is what? SQL have the you have data is there, right? SQL is showing you the data. What data? Like your username, password, and everything is inside that. You understood
Mm-hmm.
or not? So SQL with the help of you remember that database management. SQL is basically with what?
Yeah,
It is
I know SQL. SQL.
yeah database management. So with help of database management, I'm creating a tag. How? Like I'm doing the FTP. So that your question is here. You are asking what is troll is there? Troll is a one vulnerable machine like IBM. Just try to understand IBM is one. Just assume IBM is one machine is there. So or
Your
IBM
voice is
is
breaking now.
IBM is one machine is there, or IBM is one company is there. Understood? So in that company, how you can go inside that? Getting how can you create a vulnerability? So you
Okay.
have to follow these steps. Are you getting? So you will what are the steps are there? Collecting the informations, nmap through nmap, whatever we are doing, collecting the information. Understood? Collecting the
Mhm.
information. What information? Vulnerable information.
Mhm.
Getting. So this is the main things here. Troll and all. Troll, Cupid this all. Because yesterday also I given you that examples, like the Russians have created the attacks on like US or that presidential elections on that time. What they have did like one SQL database, or like in every websites they have did created some kinds of attack. Understood?
Mhm.
That is the trolling. What is the trolling? What is the trolling? Trolling is the part what I explained you in the theory. I told you this is the internet, live internet. It is running. Correct or not? Cyber attack
Okay.
consists, right? So what is the information? Misinformation. If we are talking about that, this is all the triad. Triad of what? This is the triad of what? On the internet, this is the triad of misinformation. Correct? Misinfo. Second is what? Hacking. Correct. And third is troll. So these are the three important assets here on the cyber attacks.
Mhm.
Cyber attacks. Understood? So
So actually, troll will help me to find vulnerability on the system, right?
yeah, correct,
On a
correct,
net
correct.
on
Yeah,
or a network.
yeah, yeah. On a network. Understood. Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Okay. For example, like if you call me now
Okay.
and ask me to check the vulnerabilities on your website.
Hmm. Hmm.
Okay, I can use troll to do that, right?
Yeah, you can use.
Instead of giving the IP address and map IP address, I have to enter your domain name.
Yeah, my website name. My website is like no that
Can
A2S.
we can we do that now?
A2S networking is there. So in place of this is going to connect with this or not? Let me check here. I will come
Can we do that
will
now?
be just a second. And map I
P.
let's say P
Mm-hmm.
P
Mm-hmm.
A,
Okay. Mm-hmm.
and then after
In your website name.
my website name is A2S
You have to put www first.
working. Directly also it will take www.a2snetworking.com. See, the basic things is what it is collecting the informations, gathering the informations. Are you getting? You understood?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Collecting the information. For what? Where is the vulnerability? Understood?
Yeah.
So when it will be provided that that's vulnerable, then after you have to work on that. Understood? You have to think which is the better, and then after you have to create one passphrase, and according to passphrase you have to create the comma, create that your SQL, whatever you want. Understood? If you're working the
Okay.
SQL, you can do the SQL. If you're working on like no man in middle attack, you can create the man in middle attack, or whatever which is the suitable for that. Where is the vulnerability, which in the on of which ports is the vulnerability, it will show. According to that, you can create the attacks, and then after we get the informations where what you need that for that information you can collect through here.
Okay.
Let it be collect the informations. We will go here the other terminal, and what I will do, uh,
Mm.
I will install FTP server, right,
Okay.
for my troll. So I'm coming here apt, then after what, tell me the commands. Get, correct, install,
Yes.
install my FTP, correct, no? Let it install. See here, that is installed here. Understood? Then after what I will do, I will go with the FTP server inside my IP address. What is the IP address? 192.168.137.129,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Okay.
129, right? No? So let me check. 129. See here, it is asking me the name, right? So name, what I
Mm-hmm.
will give anonymous.
Mm-hmm.
Anonymous. Password, it is
Mm-hmm.
asking me. I will give the password. Anonymous. I'm inside my FTP, right? What I will
Mm-hmm.
do, I need that file. I told you in the fifth steps that file I required here
Mm-hmm.
to transfer there. Understood? Inside the troll.
Mm-hmm.
So for that, what I will do, get. It is the command to install, connect with internet and get that file. So what I will use, get with lol dot pcap, cap. Enter. See here, it will show me successfully. It is work done. So that means I work with that lol.pcap commands. Understood? Let me check what it's showing. See here.
But what that command will do actually?
This command is install this one. That file is there. Understood?
The
This is
file is
why
there. I saw the file.
this file is there, but I need to work with this file, install this file. You understood?
So you
Understood?
are calling the file now.
Yeah, I call this file here. Yeah.
Okay.
So what is
Okay.
telling you, this file is successfully installed here. Successfully installed.
Okay. And then.
After that, what I will do, see here, and that vulnerability one. Just a second, you asked me for my IPs. See here, these are the IPs is open. 130,
Mm-hmm.
132. You understood? Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
These are the IPs. When I check with what? It was networking right now. It is collecting the information. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
See, I will come inside that. Then after I will quit. I will quit from here.
No. Okay. This is what we have to do next now.
No, see, just try to understand. FTP is what? That in CCNA routing
File
you
transfer
learn.
protocol, right?
File transfer protocol. I install this protocol, this one file, and then after this file, I am going to share on my troll. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Clear. So I install this file. First, I install FTP server. With the help of this
Okay.
FTP, only I can start share my file, right? So
Yes.
then after that, which is the file is important here? That pcap, because it is showing there. When I
Mm-hmm.
when I use the nmap for the scanning, it will show me the port number. Then after it is showing me this file is important. With this file, I can vulnerability. I can create a vulnerability. So I got this file here. So after that, this file I will send on the troll. So when I will send this troll, I need to check this file is going there or not. You understood my point or not? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Because I use with authentication also I use here with help of your
Mm-hmm.
authentication anonymous and anonymous, right? Correct
Mm-hmm.
or not? Because see here,
Mm-hmm.
FTP, when you're using FTP, just see, this is the FTP, understood? Win SCP is I'm using for the FTP, file
No,
transfer protocol.
actually, you know what? Hello?
Yeah, yeah, tell me.
Can you come back to that another screen?
Just two
No.
minutes, I'm coming. See, this is the FTP, SFTP, FTP protocols. You understood? I will give here the
Mm-hmm.
IP address. Understood? Then after it will ask me the username and password. Correct? After
Mm-hmm.
giving the proper username and password, then after I can authenticate inside the FTP. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm using here in the Kali also, if I'll become here inside the Kali also, I use anonymous username and password. When I entered
Mm-hmm.
here, when I
Mm-hmm.
entered here, how I entered with the FTP IP address. Then after it is asking me the that username and password, correct or not?
Yes,
Correct or
me, I
not?
got you.
Yeah,
Go ahead.
yeah, yeah. Uh,
I want to
mm.
tell something now.
After that, what happened?
Okay, first,
After that, listen. After that, I install my lol.pcat. Understood?
you did not install, you just take it,
Yeah.
you just
See,
access it, you did not install.
see, I got this one when I am using get here,
Mm-hmm.
get with what? Lol dot pcap. Understood? When I'm using
Mm-hmm.
this one, what it is telling you here? See, come here, get this one. It is telling remotely lol pcap remote port command successfully considered on this one. And then
Mm-hmm.
after transfer completed, it is showing you transfer completed. I need to transfer this one. Are you getting my points or not? That's what I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling you. I need to transfer this lol dot pcap where on roll. So it is showing you that with the help of that 226, it is going to transfer. It is transferred successful. So
Mm-hmm.
I will check that lol pcap this file is transferred successfully or not. It is showing me or not. Are you getting my point? So how we will
Okay.
use? Either we have the facility, either we can go with what? We have our you can say wireshark, correct or not?
Mm-hmm.
Remember, we have the
Yes.
wireshark. Or inside my Kali, we will use what? TCP dumps. Are you getting what I'm telling you? Right now it's clear.
I'm getting, actually, what I want to tell you is that you need to listen to me now, if possible.
Please.
First, you install FTP, right?
Yes.
Get apt
Correct.
FTP,
Correct.
install FTP.
Correct.
Then you came inside FTP and you put your IP
Yes.
address, which is linked to your troll.
Yes.
And then what you did, you
I
okay,
done username. It's asked me
after that you give a username and a password,
authentication.
authentication, yes, authentication directly. And then you after that you call that file which is named lol.cap pickup.
Yes. Lol dot
Okay, so
pcap.
what is my question? What is my question? And after that, it's shown some port here, right? You can see those ports. Hmm.
Yes. Here I am showing
Okay,
200,
if you
158,
can see those
256.
ports, okay. Okay, so after this now, what we can do with those
Yeah.
ports, because like we can see those ports open
Uh,
already,
uh.
but what we can do now, what is
After
the
that,
next step after?
yeah, that's what I'm telling you. After that, I will go on the TCP dump. TCP dump. Okay. Are you
Mm-hmm.
understood? Inside with the help of TCP dump, I will check
Mm-hmm.
what like my username and password what I use because we have two facility. Either we can go with my Wireshark.
Mm-hmm.
Wireshark is the basics. Everyone's have an idea. But we are more focused on the CLI commands, understood, in the Linux platform. So Wireshark or we have the Linux commands. What commands we will use? TCP dump. With the help of TCP dumps,
Mm-hmm.
we can collect the informations what that file transfers. Try to understand why, because it is showing you here. Just try to understand what is showing you.
No,
File
I got
transfer
it. I
task.
got it.
Just
I
check.
got it. Okay.
Okay, okay. Let it become on the TCP dumps. We can see. Understood.
Okay.
Let
So
me show
next,
you.
okay, we can go to TCP dump now.
TCP dumps. Okay. Let me come here. What I will do? Wait. Wait. Fine. It is showing you goodbye. Then after
Mm-hmm.
clear, I will come here. TCP dump. TCP dump. The command says lol.
What is this mean?
Just coming. Let me write the command pcap with less source s. This is the commands. See here. This is the command I will use to get the information less CLI show me. Okay, like the commands is coming here, no? Like packet capturing. You understood?
Mm-hmm.
Packet capture. I'm
Mm-hmm.
telling here, don't create a buffer. You understood my point?
Mm-hmm.
What is the meaning of buffer? That everything it will capture. Maximum. It will maximize your size when you it will create a buffer.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? You heard about buffer in your routing switching. Buffering. Understood? So
Mm-hmm.
maximize your screen. I don't want. That's why I'm using less here. And go on the source. And
Mm-hmm.
then after show me the lol pcap.
Mm-hmm.
And then after this is the commands here. Okay. And
Mm-hmm.
TCP dumps is mine. This is the commands here. You should remember. And then after use the TCP dumps.
But the command, what is this command actually?
This,
NTTP.
this is commands to track or tracking your CLI buffer, less buffer,
Mm-hmm.
file transfer information. File transfer information. Understood?
Okay.
File transfer information. This is the commands we are using. N, N,
Mm-hmm.
then after T times timestamps, then after attributes. This is the commands we will use here. Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Just come and
Okay.
see what it will come. Enter. See here. This is the buffering. It's started buffer here. Are you getting?
Mm-hmm.
After that, what I am getting here, it will show me. Just come down. FTP. See you. Username is anonymous. I use username anonymous. Remembered there. Correct.
Mm-hmm.
Come
Mm-hmm.
down. Down. Are you getting how much packets it's captured? Understood. After that, it will show you the end. Here, no? Just come down.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
I need this one. Understood. See here. This is the important here. This one. This part. This one. On the particular ports. I use P, remember, on the ports. Are you
Mm-hmm.
getting? This one I need to
Okay.
check the on GUI. I will go on GUI. Last class I told you we will work on the GUI. I will go on the GUI. On the GUI with the help of this one, okay, and
Mm-hmm.
then after I will check. Understood? This will be show me the file, particular file with my IP address. Particular file. Write this one. Particular file with IP address. If you want to check, just see here what I'm doing. Follow me. Okay. See, this is the commands. Now found this one. What it is telling you. If you want to see the commands, what it is telling you. You are just clever little devil. You are almost found this one. Understood? In the ports. Clear? I
Mm-hmm.
use this one buffer dumps, TCP dumps. With the help of TCP dumps, I create a buffer. This is the buffer. Are you getting? When you are using, when you are using, when you are using,
Mm-hmm.
just a second, 1 minute. See here, what I am doing. Listen, I create a TCP dumps, right? This is TCP.
Mm-hmm.
TCP dump. TCP dump is what? TCP or UDP packets are there. You remember? I told you in my security plus class, TCP and UDP is very much important, right? So in the
Mm-hmm.
TCP dumps is create a buffer. Understood? This will be create a buffer. This is the buffer. Are you getting? When I am going to enter, it is showing me the information about the IPs, and then after inside the IPs, lots of things is coming inside that. But what is my requirement? That is, I go and I can check. I need this part. Understood? With the help of this one, I can download the file. Download the file. Understood? Because we are
Mm-hmm.
completely working on the FTP. Understood?
Okay.
So what I will do, just let me come here and let me show you how it is working. I need this one, right? You were so close here. Understood? So what I will do, let me copy it. Let me copy it. This one. Clear? Up to here.
Mm-hmm.
Understood? Copy. Copy the selection. Okay. Then
Mm-hmm.
after open your GUI web browser. Let me open the GUI. See, my Kali is open. I will come here. Here are what I will do. This is secured. FTP is with secured, so I will use HTTPS. Are you getting my point?
Mm-hmm.
HTTPS.
Mm-hmm.
Then after my IP address, what is my IP address is here? My IP address is 192.168.137.129.
129.
129, no?
Mm-hmm.
129
Mm-hmm.
slash
No, 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 no.
129.
You made it.
129, right?
Mm-hmm.
Correct? Slash,
Yes.
and this is the extension. What the extension we have, we will go there. Okay, this is the extension. Enter it. Just a minute. 192, 129 is there, right? Let me check once. Let me check. I can able to open the Google or not. Yes. Okay. IP address of troll 192.168.129 137.129. Okay. HTTPS 192.168.137.129. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
with paste. We are having trouble. Address is not correct. Okay, okay, okay. Sorry. HTTPS. Just hold a second. HTTPS 192.168.137.129 with paste it. Why it's not coming here? Just wait a second. Close all tabs. See here. Lol. Copy selection from here. HTTPS 192.168.137.129 with will be where is S? S is also there, I think, not U. Wait a minute. It's S is also there. I didn't copy completely. You are getting. See here, S is
Mm-hmm.
also there. S, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Enter it. It's not showing. Firefox established a connection to server. This site could not be temporarily unavailable. Too busy. Try again to few minutes. Okay, should be open once. Let me come here. Browser. The selection 192.168.137.129 with control V. Ah, it's came here. See, I got it. You're getting here. That is the index is coming. Hello, you
Yes.
understood?
What you did?
You
What
see,
you did?
no, no. In place of HTTPS, I normally I open this one. I didn't
Okay.
use HTTPS. You understood? Because that site is not opening. See here, it's not
Mhm.
showing. It is not. See here, connection is not secure. Understood? Yesterday it was secure. That's what I when I opened that was showing me. It's secure sites, but it is not open. It is not secure. Understood? So I just open in like in the basics. I given on the only the IPs, and then after I that's that extension. What is the extension is there? That extension I put. If I
Mhm.
given that extension, it's basics open. Understood? Then
Mhm.
after what is coming here? See, it is telling me parent directory. Understood? That is the directory here. Apache. Understood? Ubuntu server for this one
Mhm.
port 80. Clear? It is telling me server at this one, and this is the file here. I will open this file. I will download this one. Save this file. Okay? Understood?
Mhm.
Getting? Are you getting?
Yes.
Follow me. I downloaded. This file is download here. Minimize it. Okay? Go to terminal. Open the terminal. If it is saved, what I will do, I will come on the terminal. Then after, I will go on the CD. CD. It will be in the download, right?
Mhm.
Download sections. Sorry. CD caps downloads. I'm inside the download. What I will do, I will check the list
Yes.
inside the list that is there or not. So my file name is ROF.
Yes.
ROF is there.
Mhm.
Yeah, I have this file. Right, remember
Yes.
ROF. ROF.
Mhm.
This is a file I need to check. So this file it shows right here. It shows not executable.
Because there is no extension.
Shows not table. So we'll give have to the permission. So we'll give have the permission. Okay, understood. So what I will do,
Mhm.
just come here. I will exit from here. Let me check chmod. Change mode is working. Yeah, it is working. Change
Mhm.
mode. Execute X with copy this one.
No, 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 no. It's not complete. You have to put R. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. Done. Let me check. Find address. I got this address. Understood? See here. This is the address here. This extension also I will check. This extension. Find address to proceed. This one. It is asking me. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Getting. After that it will proceed. So what I will do, I will copy this one again. Copy this selection. Understood my point? Following no. After that, what I
Yeah.
will do, again I will go, and what I will do, I will go on the Firefox here. I'm inside my Firefox, and here now, open it. You do here HTTPS. Okay, IP address is 192.168 what dot 137 dot
Mm-hmm.
129. Clear
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
with, because of that only it's not proceed. So slash and control V. Clear.
Mm-hmm.
Enter it. I got two files here. Again, not HTTP is not working. Okay. So
Remove
yeah,
HTTPS
yeah,
reset.
yeah, yeah, yeah. HTTP is not working. So what I will do, 192.168.137, 129.
You made a mistake.
I know. 137, 129. Okay. Slash control V. It will work. See, I got two files there. One is the password, and other is like inside that username's information is there. Understood? Index of this.
Mm-hmm.
Getting. So I will go
Mm-hmm.
inside good luck.
Mm-hmm.
Which one is this lol.txt? I will go inside that. Here, see here. This is all informations of my users. Okay. So what I will do,
Mm-hmm.
I will copy this all. Okay. Control all and control C. Clear.
Mm-hmm.
And I will come and I will create one directory. Understood?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
We come here. How to create the directory? I will create
M-
the
M-
directory
M-
VI. VI.
MTP.
Basics is VI. With the help of VI, you can do VI, and with the name of the
Mm-hmm.
directory, I will do usernames. Usernames. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm inside the directory. What I will do, paste it.
Mm-hmm.
Paste the selections. I paste. No
Mm-hmm.
space is required. Okay. Then after
Mm-hmm.
I paste it. Then after what you will do, Shift Z to save it. Save it. Shift Z to save this one. Okay. So what I will do, Shift Z.
Mm-hmm.
I save this one. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Clear. Then after, if you want to see the password here, you come here, go back, go back. This folder contains the password. Good luck is password. I think supposed to something. Good job. This is the password. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
For that index, I will go back, go back. After that, what I will do, I will come here and I need to use a brute force attack. Brute force. Okay. In the SQL injections, I required a brute force here. Are you getting my points? I will do brute force.
Mm-hmm.
I will do here brute force. Understood? So commands I am writing here. Follow the commands. Write the commands. Two commands we can use. Just a second. Momo. Okay, just a second.
Okay.
Hello. Yeah, see here
Yes,
on
hello.
the brute force, what we will do, we have the two commands in a queue. You can use any these two commands.
Mm-hmm.
So here we have the options are, see here, Hydra. Hydra is one option. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
I'm writing here note. We are going to work with Hydra. If you follow the Hydra, you can write we are working on the Hydra. Going to work with Hydra.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Because this will help me
Mm-hmm.
for brute force attacks. Okay, understood. So what is the
Okay.
command is here? You should write the command as Hydra L username port password pass.txt. Okay, IP address of your call going via SSH version with D1. This is the command inside Hydra you should use. You understood? Or
Mm-hmm.
you have, if it is not working, understood, if Hydra is not working, if it will fail, sometimes this will fail also to create a brute force. Are you getting my point? Follow up this all. This is all for your very much important, this what I'm explaining. If brute force is fail, with what? With Hydra. Are you getting my points? So
Okay.
what you will do, this is the OSCP lab. Okay, this is I'm explaining you in
Mm-hmm.
the OSCP lab. This will come inside your OSCP. That's right. So if it will fail, what you will do, you can do here, go on the patator, Patator. Sure. This is the inside your GUI. Are you getting? And this is where you will get on the GitHub. Okay. When Hydra is failed.
Mm-hmm.
Understood or not? So let me work
Mm-hmm.
on that. We will come here. We will open browser and we will type here
Mm-hmm.
GitHub slash, oh, not able to type, C GitHub GitHub Petator, Patator.
Mm-hmm.
Enter it. See here, this one, Langelot. This one I will go multi-purpose brute. It is showing brute force. Are you getting? Understood? I will open this one. See here, it is telling me GitHub is home. This one, come here down. See, Pitator is a multi-purpose for brute force. Are you getting? Either you can go with
Mm-hmm.
Hydra or you can go with Pitator. Understood? Clear, right? So what I will do, I will come on the Pitator. In the Pitator, I will copy this one.
Mm-hmm.
that we have the files is there. Where is the code? This is the code, right? I will come here and copy the code. Understood? Clear?
Mm-hmm.
Then after what I will do, follow up everything. I will come here and then after you have to clone this one on the GitHub, right? So what you will do, you should write the commands
Get
git
clone.
clone, very good, git clone, then after paste it. I have copy now.
Sometimes this copy will not work. You need to copy
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Let me check once it is working on. Yeah, it's working. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
HTTPS github.git. Understood. Enter. Yeah, it's cloning. Done. Correct. Successfully 100%. How to check? I will go inside my ptator. Okay. CD PA
Mm-hmm.
PATOR. Enter. I'm inside that. Then after I will check the list. That PY ptator ly should be there. PY should be there. See here. PY should be. Yeah. Ptator PY is there, right? This one. This one.
Mm-hmm.
This is required. So what I will do,
Mm-hmm.
enter. This is the Python language, okay. Inside that I will copy it, and then after I will, because that my root is not working, okay. So we will use Python with the help of this command. We can create a attack, okay, for my authentication overflow. Clear? What I'm telling you, write this all and follow up this video. So I will use here Python, okay,
Mm-hmm.
caps w, ignore, sorry, ignore
Mm-hmm.
this one, copy selection and paste it here, okay,
Mm-hmm.
with SSH login, SSH login,
Mm-hmm.
host, host equal to IP address. My IP address, what is my IP address is here 192.168.137.120.
137.
Yeah,
9.
127.129.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. User, this is the command, user equal to file, caps FILE, file 0. Okay, file 0. Inside file 0 I have go with root usernames. Automatically it will take because I have created with usernames. Remember, no, that file directory.
Mm-hmm.
Remember, by. So that usernames and password. Password is equal to, I will create pass.txt. Okay, pass.txt. Understood?
Mm-hmm.
Let me
Mm-hmm.
check it is working or not.
Network.
See here. Error. It is
Error.
showing me error. Run SSH login. Please read the reading inside more information. Okay.
I think for me, you need to specify. No, you did not put username. You just put username.
Where is? Okay.
No, username before password. And
Yeah,
I think
it is usernames is there, right?
it is not username. This is username.
I use username only. See here, I use usernames. Whatever the name I will use now, same things will become.
Okay, okay.
Are you getting? Okay.
Okay.
Let me check the commands once again, because this is the big command. D test. Yeah, this is troll, right? Troll1 commands. Yeah. See here, Python w ignore repeated py ssh login. I did.
Host. You do not do host.
Most I did no.
No.
Yeah. Let me work on that. Python w ignore repeated py ssh login host troll IP address user 50 user 50 to root usernames and password is pass.txt. Yeah, correct. Just a second. Please read the readme. Okay, just a second. Minute. SSH. Just a minute. Let me install this one. This services because of this only, because yesterday I only installed this Kali. You understood? So because of that only, that command is not taking. apt get install SSH. apt get install. Are you there?
Yes,
Hello? Yeah, yeah. What I will do? Where is the command? Just a second. Okay. Place of this one. pdata.py/ssh login. Host is 192 in this one. User is 50. Root username. Username's password is pass.txt. That is correct command. Please read the readme inside for more information. Paramiko is required to run Paramiko. Run. Sudo apt get install python paramiko. Sudo rows sudo apt get install Python. Paramiko. Okay, fine. Let me come here.
Hmm?
It is not working because I already installed the Paramiko 2.7.1. Paramiko 2.7.1. Okay. Paramiko. This is install Paramiko 2.7.1. Oh, update. Wait a minute. Install. Your this one is working. You follow up my comments, right? As it is working or not?
Hmm?
This comments is working or not?
It's not working, sir.
Install. No, it was working yesterday, but again I installed. No, so many features are not enabled. Understood? SSH, that Paramico. Let me install this one. Only two steps is remaining. Okay. After that, we can vulnerable. We can create a vulnerability, but this is not showing me. Installing this install. Okay. Let me update it. Okay.
Mhm.
Let me update it because it's not updated. Because of that only, it's not showing me. Understood. Come here. Okay. Okay. Are you getting? Sometimes this kinds of error you will get. So you should be update always. Understood my point, right?
Mhm.
Okay. Let it become. Okay, it's all here. Let me check. This is working or not? No, it is not working. Let me check with Hydra. Okay, fine. Hydra. Username. P. Txt. IP address is mine. 192.168.137.129. Right. Hello.
Yes, yes.
SSH
Mhm.
with P1 enter. What it is currently error file logins not found username. Okay, in place of username, what we are doing? Username is mine. I use names,
Um,
right? Use names. Use names. Correct, no?
yes.
Use names. Enter. Yes. It's attacking. See here. Are you getting? With Hydra.
Mhm.
Hello. Are you
Yes.
there? See, my this that one is failed because of like my SSS is not up to date, and that there's
Okay.
some problem is there because of that only it's not updated. But when I use my Hydra, it is showing me attacking. See, that is so like data attacking SSS with the 192. That's port number is 22, and that's on my troll. Are you getting?
Okay.
You understood? See,
Okay.
what is coming here? Attacking target completed, zero valid password found. Okay, 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 okay. No, this is also not working because it should show me the password. Understood? Here, that is also not showing. Wait a minute. Let me go here. Python, Python, W, word, ignore, what, P A T H P A T A T O R dot P Y, fine, SSH,
Mhm.
login, login, host is my equal to IP address is mine 192.168.137.129 with user names, right? Okay, user names is there. So equal to caps file 0 equal to root usernames password equal to pass.txt. Let me check it's working or not. No such file or directory. py, right? No. Oh, sorry, man. Where I'm standing. Wait. CD editor. Okay. List. Okay. Here I will do Python w ignore. Okay, this one. Office selection. Paste selection. SSH. Login. Hostage. Equal to IP address is 192.168.127.129 with user equal to file apps file 0 root root file 0 is equal to root 129 with user is equal to file 0 with file 0 with file 0 0 equal to root usernames password equal to pass.txt. It's not taking. Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, I will try it once. Okay, you try also. Up to here you try, you will get what you will get. Let me show you. You will get here. Okay, let me check once again because that something is not updated. Let me update my Kali. Okay, because of that only it's not working. What you will do after this, after giving this command, or like if will be use your hydra. Are you getting my point? If you use your hydra or of this command, you will get here overflow overflow IP with password. Okay, what I'm telling you, do this one. Okay, tomorrow you will show me
Okay.
up to here. Are you getting my points? I want to show these things inside your PC.
Mhm.
After completing this up to here, no, you will get this. Whatever the error is coming, just WhatsApp me. Okay,
Okay.
understood? Because this is not only, this is more than that. Your penetration testing. Understood or not? Clear. So do this task. What I'm teaching. Clear. So up to here you do, then after we will see. Let me update my Kali. After that it will work because this should be take because it's not taking some commands is not updated or something is not updated, because of that only it's not updating. It's not showing. Else if it is everything is was fine, it will show me the password is overflow and then the IP address of that. Clear.
Okay.
So do
Mhm.
this task. Okay, in evening I will ask you. Okay, don't leave
Okay.
as it is. Sit and do this
Mhm.
task. and I will show you this updations. Okay, how it is working. What was the error? Also, I will show you tomorrow. Hmm? Let me work on that.